Hello, everyone, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. I'm Ashley, and today we'll be talking about creating a strong password. Criminals have many ways they try to get your password. You might have clicked a fake link in your email, or you might get a phone call saying that your computer's broken and that someone needs to fix it. They have sophisticated automatic software that can keep guessing passwords as well until they get the right one. This can do a lot of damage to your life and cause identity theft and actual theft if they're able to gain access to your online banking. I get told by a lot of people that they use the same password. Please do not use the same password. Do not do this. This is not keeping your online world safe at all. Having a different password for each individual service that you use is important because if you get hacked, then you know that you only have to change the password for the service that you got hacked in. For example, for Facebook. When you pick one password for everything, you give thieves the potential to get everything you have. Your password shouldn't include information about you. If thieves have some information about you, it's easier for them to guess your password. Don't put parts of your phone numbers, birth dates, addresses, name of a pet, or anything like that into your password. You can make a password that you can remember. I promise you can. You can use a favorite song lyric or a favorite nursery rhyme. I'll explain how to do this next. So for this example, we're going to use my childhood favorite, Mary Had Little Lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So I'm going to take the M in Mary, the H in had, the A in the L in little, the L in lamb, the W in whose, the F in fleece, the W in was, the W in white, the A in as, and the S in snow. And I'm going to write those all out. And then you come up with this. So now to make it even more secure, I'm going to capitalize the M in Mary, and I'm going to take out the S and make the S a $sign. And this will create your secure password. It's up to you what favorite nursery rhyme, poem, or even favorite song lyric that you use. The great thing about the password that we just made is that it doesn't exist in the dictionary. Typically, hacker computers will actually go through dictionaries to try and find words for passwords. Other things to remember. First and foremost, you want to remember that the longer the password is, the harder it is for hackers to guess. So like we did today where we added some capital letters in, some symbols, you want to do that. The longer the password, the better. Secondly, don't write down your password and stick it on your computer or near your computer. Keep it in a safe place where only you know where it is. Many sources are now saying that you shouldn't even write down your password at all. But let's be realistic. We're all going to probably write down our passwords. Just make sure you put it in a safe spot where you can find it later. The other thing you want to remember is that if you're on a public computer, such as the library when we reopen, you want to look around you when you're typing in your password to your email and such. So just like you would do at the grocery store with a PIN, just hide your password as you're typing it into the computer. I really hope that this Wired Wednesday helped you to create a strong password. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at librarytech@thebluemountains.ca. Have a great day and stay safe online.